Hello dear students, this is Trilok Singh, lecturer Government Higher Secondary School Umreli. Once again I welcome you all to this video class. Today we are going to learn the fourth lesson of Flamingo. The name of this lesson is the rat trap. So dear students, I will tell you the summary of this lesson, and at the end of the summary I will ask you some questions. So please listen to the summary very carefully so that you can answer my questions. Dear students, first of all, you do one thing, you just note down these word meanings. There are 7 word meanings. It will help you to understand the summary. And the lesson begins with a rat trap peddler. It's a very interesting story. The peddler, who is in a rat condition, wanders here and there to sell his rat trap made of wire. He doesn't have anyone to take care of him. He doesn't have any house, any shelter. He just keeps on moving, and sometimes he begs and steals to survive in this world. One fine day, while moving, he imagines that the whole world is itself a rat trap, and all the materialistic things, means luxurious things like bungalow, car, AC, they are the bait of this huge world rat trap. Bait, we put some edible things inside the rat trap to entice the rat. This is called bait. I have written the Hindi meaning also, you can see. And one day he reaches the cottage. He knocks at the door, and one of the old crofter comes out of the cottage. He requests him to give him shelter for a night. The crofter takes him inside. He serves him hot food. He plays cards with him. He gives him tobacco to smoke. And during conversation, he tells him about the 30 kronos which he has kept in a pouch on the window frame. The next day, both the crofter and the peddler leave the place, leave the cottage, but after some times the peddler comes back and he steals the 30 kronas which the crofter has earned by selling milk cream. Then he goes away from there, and on the way he finds the 2 ways. One way is a highway, and the other way is a forest way. He chooses the forest ways so that no one can recognize him, and he keeps on moving, he keeps on walking, and then he reaches an iron mill where he meets an iron master. The iron master mistakes him to be his old comrade and invites him to come to his house, but he refuses. After some time, the iron master's daughter, Edla, comes to him and insists him to come to her house to celebrate Christmas with them. She takes him to her house. They help the peddler to make over, dress in new clothes, and shaved off his beard. And after this, the iron master realizes that he has made a mistake, and he recognizes that the peddler is not his old friend. So he decides to send him back, but Edla insists, and she convinces her father to permit the peddler stay with them and celebrate Christmas with them. The iron master agrees, and next day the iron master and his daughter go to the church, and at the church they come to know that the peddler is a thief and he has stolen 30 kroners from a crofter's house. They get frightened, they become restless, and they come back home hurriedly, thinking that the peddler must have stolen their silver. When they reach home, they ask the servant, and the servant tells him that he has gone away from there. And they also tell him that he has not taken anything. On contrary, he has left a gift for Edla, and the gift is a small rat trap, and inside the rat trap there is a note for Edla. In that note, he has thanked Edla for treating him well, sympathetically, and he requests Edla to return the 30 kroners which he has left to the old crofter. So, in this story, the writer wants to tell us that the sympathy and respect can change the world. Materialistic things never helps to change the person. So this is all about the summary of this lesson, of this story, Rat Trap. And now, dear students, I am going to give you some questions. So, first question is, what does the peddler do to survive in this world? Second question, how does the peddler look? Third question is, why does the peddler return the crofter's money? And fourth question is, why does Edla insist her father on letting